I want to read a few appropriate quotations from Srila Prabhupada. How he talks about Vani Darshan, Guru Vani Darshan, then Prabhupada even talks about Guru Vapu Darshan. Then interestingly enough, Srila Prabhupada talks about Guru Chaitya Guru Darshan. And Prabhupada tells, when do we start to see the Guru in my heart? Chaitya Guru means Antaryami, Paramatma, the Super Soul. Now we say we can't see the physical, so-called, quote-unquote, physical presence of Guruji before us. Now we have to look into our heart. We have to look into our heart, search for the Vani, search for the Vapu reminiscences and Vapu memories of his form. Then, more importantly, search for the messages and the darshan, the Chaitya Guru darshan in the heart. So now, Prabhupada explains about this third level of Guru Darshan. And we will give some anecdotes, an interesting story about the fourth and fifth level of Darshan. The Sakshatkar Guru Darshan and the Spurti Guru Darshan. Prabhupada's quotation, which here, this talks about Vani Darshan. Vani means, of course, Guru Vani, the words of Guru, the teachings, the instructions, the shiksha. The disciple and the spiritual master are never separated. That's the basic theme of my discussion. The truth, the Sad Shishya, and the Sad Guru are never separated. Never is an absolute word. Never. That means now and forever. Ever. Never. The disciple and the spiritual master are never separated. That phrase in itself is like an aphorism. It is like a sutra. Just take that phrase and meditate on it. I am a disciple. I have a guru. Prabhupada, our Param Guru, or our Guru, is telling us, you are never separated from me. Why do you feel separated? Why don't you see me? Why don't you hear me? Why don't you feel me? I'm here. What is your problem? It's your problem, not mine. I'm visible. I'm hearable. I'm touchable. Unperceivable. Why are you blinded to me? Why are you keeping yourself blinded? Let's go on. The disciple and the spiritual master are never separated because the spiritual master always keeps company. Company, because darshan means company. The word darshan means association or company. The spiritual master always, again, another absolute statement. Never and always. You got it? This is one purport. The spiritual master always keeps company, means association, sangha, guru sangha, chobis ganta sangha, guru sangha, every minute, every moment, every day. As long, now here's the condition, there's some conditions, terms and conditions apply. Here's the terms and conditions. I, your guru, I am Swarup Damodar, I am always with you. I never separated from you, provided you follow this condition. What's the condition? As long as the disciple strictly follows the instructions of the spiritual master, Guru Shiksha, Guru Agya. Bina Guru Agya, Bina Guru Darshan. And then Prabhupada says, this is called association. This is Vani Darshan.